Hi, this is Karen Fomafung, your Agile Evangelist. Welcome to this session. In today's video, we will be discussing how to answer the question, tell me about yourself as an Agile practitioner. You see, this question is often the very first thing an interviewer will ask you, regardless of the role, whether it's just a preliminary phone screening, or you sitting with your prospective boss, or you speaking with the CEO during the final phase of the interview. This question might seem easy. After all, who doesn't know about themselves? However, responding to this question in a professional context might turn out to be very complicated and challenging. And the reason why it is complicated is because a good answer to this question shouldn't be more than 2.5 to 3 minutes, of which it is a very broad and open-ended question. So, how do you create that positive first impression? By successfully summarizing what to share out of your entire life story. Well, the good news is that you can prepare in advance on how to set that stage to your advantage. And that is why I am here to help you. Before we go into start answering this question, tell me about yourself, it is very important to know why this question is asked in the first place. That is, to understand what the interviewer is trying to achieve by asking this question. So, this question serves as an icebreaker. It can help set the stage, which then defines the direction of the rest of the interview. It also helps the interviewer to make an impression of you. It is important to be prepared so that you can always stay on top of your game. That is why I am here to help you. It is also important to note that different interviewers might choose to phrase this question in so many different ways. Typical examples are, share with me your professional experience in 90 seconds that is relevant to this role. Another one would be, walk me through your background. Another one might be, I would like to hear your story. Another one would be, tell me about yourself. I have designed a simple approach that will help you provide a winning answer to this question. And my approach is known as the C path, which I will be explaining in a bit. So please stay tuned. If this is your first time here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will not miss any new upload. Also remember to like and share, drop your comment if you appreciate my content. Now, let us talk about C path. What does C path stand for? C is current, P is past, A is achievement, and F is future. So to answer this question successfully, start by stating what your current role is, which company you work for, and a summary of the scope of the work. To make it even heavier, state one recent accomplishment that is relevant to the role you're interviewing for. Secondly, you want to talk about your past experience that is relevant to the role and the company you're interviewing for. It can be professional and academical, but only be sure that the information you're sharing is relevant to that role. The third point is to summarize and share at least 2 accomplishments or achievements that is relevant to that role. Lastly, you want to talk about the future. Why you are looking for a new role and why you think this role is a perfect fit for you. So that is the meaning of C path. Most importantly, whatever you say, you want to make sure that you are speaking passion. As you may know, passion cannot be taught. So interviewers can tell if you are passionate about the role or it's just one of your numerous adventures. So be sure that in the answer you provide, you want to show passion in your answer. You want to show the interviewer that you're passionate about the role you're interviewing for. Because trust me, that is all they are looking for. They want to see that you are passionate. Now, the theory always sounds great, but what does a powerful practical answer looks like? I have crafted one example for you. Let's check it out. So, when an interviewer asks you, tell me about yourself, here is how you should respond. You would say, sure, I currently serve at Fomafung Corporation as their Agile Coach and Scrum Master, where I support project teams to develop different kinds of software, such as the Lean software, the server software, and many more. I have helped these teams to successfully adopt the Agile values and principles into their project management environment, which has led to a faster delivery of high quality value to the business and to their customers. I have been in the field of project management for over 8 years today, However, I started living my passion as an Agile practitioner and a Scrum Master 6 years ago. In the past, I have helped companies like XYZ and ABC to successfully deliver value to their business by applying the Scrum framework and other different kinds of Agile frameworks based on the complexity of their work. Within 3 months, I helped my current organization to define and establish measurable metrics to help track the progress of Agile development teams, which has led to an increase in value delivery from 60% to 90%. I have also helped my organization to establish a cross-functional collaborative environment that is creative, supportive of one another, respected, trustworthy, focused, and committed. And all this has increased the motivation of team members as well as increased the value delivered to the business and to the customers. So I am currently rounding up with my contract at Fomafung Corporation. That is why I decided to start looking for a new opportunity. Then I came across this exciting opportunity after going through the job description, the vision and the mission statement, as well as the cultural mindset of your organization. I thought this would be a perfect fit for my background and my skill set, and that is why I decided to apply. So this is a typical example of a complete answer that covers all the areas of CPATH. So feel free to customize it however you want to make it fit the role you're going after. It's not only for Scrum Masters and Agile practitioners. You can make this answer fit in whatever role you're going after. We will be ending here today. Thank you for watching. In our next session that is coming up next week, I will be discussing with you my journey of becoming a Scrum Master and moving into coaching. Yeah, I'm sure it's going to be an inspiring time. So stay tuned and make sure you share this information with your friends. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click the subscription button and notification bell so that you will not miss any new content. If you also appreciate my content, please go ahead and like, drop your comments to let me know what you think. Thank you so much and talk to you soon. Bye.